Welcome. Keeling Company, your Rainbird Golf Irrigation distributor for over 40 years, would like to introduce to you the new Rainbird IC system. Just for a moment, imagine a system that allowed you to send and receive irrigation commands directly to the rotor without controllers, without decoders, and reducing 80% of all the field wiring, eliminating all the power cabling on the golf course. Yes, you heard us right. The new Rainbird IC system eliminates the field controllers and the decoders. How, you ask? Basically, the logic and control is built right into the rotor. Now let's take a moment to explain the components that make up the new ICS system. Starting at your latest Dell Optiplex PC, you're connected via USB to the ICI, the Integrated Control Interface. Then out of the ICI, traveling out to the field via the maxi cable, traveling directly to the integrated control modules built into the sprinkler. Again, communication is simple, central to the interface, to the rotor, and back in real time. Now let's break down the components a little more for you. First and foremost, the Rainbird Central Control, first introduced in 1976, is still the simplest end-user software on the market. Still the only system that manages irrigation by station flow versus program-based flow. Superintendents decide quickly what they want to get done and let the central decide electrically and hydraulically the most efficient way to get it done. Simple, intuitive programming leave the end user more time to focus on the course. The next component, the ICI, or the Integrated Control Interface, simple communication board and driver board. Fewer boards, fewer issues. LED lights designed to tell the end user when all is working properly. Now let's look at the maxi cable. Typically a 14 gauge for most installations. Maxi has proven technology for more than 20 years. Made by tin coating the copper for longer life, combining that with an impenetrable jacket to provide a bulletproof system. Now add Rainbird's new DB Series Splice Kit, and Rainbird's confidence shines by offering a 5-year warranty on all field components of the new ICS system. The real brains of the IC system is the ICM, Integrated Control Module, designed to withstand 20,000 volt surge at 10,000 amps, has an incorporated MOV surge suppression, strip line filter, and a power rectifier to repel lightning. The ICM intelligence contains a capacitor that will dissipate and allow the rotor to always fail in the off position as a built-in safety. The ICM also has a unique feature that will take itself offline if there is a problem and report this issue back to central control. Rainbird engineers have designed the ICS system to be virtually invisible to lightning. They have put their confidence in the 5-year warranty. The IC rotor combines the most efficient sprinkler ever manufactured with the most intelligent control system ever produced. The IC system can be combined with Rainbird's heavy-duty valves for almost any application, T-box complexes, with block-style rotors, lake valves, common areas, clubhouse irrigation, all controlled seamlessly by your ICS central control. Okay, let's review the new IC system. What about the field control? It's built in. It's integrated into the ICM. What about the surge protection? It's also built in. The intelligence, it's built into the rotor. Satellites are gone. The decoders are gone. All communication to the field and back flows right through the maxi cable. With over 24 systems shipped to date in the U.S. since the IC Systems release in the summer of '09, it is easy to see why irrigation consultants and designers are quickly getting on board. The system is just plain simple. Most systems require one size wire, typically 14 gauge maxi. We can put 750 sprinklers per maxi cable, and we can control 3,000 sprinklers per IC interface. No ugly controllers, individual head control, diagnostics without having to leave your office. Simple. The IC system is simply more reliable. Fewer electrical parts, period. What happens when something goes wrong? What's the old saying? Time is money? Well, there you have it. Fewer electronics to fail means less time to fix, which means more savings to the course and a more reliable system. Easier maintenance. On the new IC system, it's easier than any other system available. Continuous system monitoring will keep you up to date with all the field information. For example, when you arrive in the morning and view the system's course log and notice that something's out of the order. For example, you had set up the night before to run 7 green, and you come in the morning and you view your course log and it has posted zeros for its run time. You can quickly go to those sprinklers and run diagnostics to tell whether it's a damaged ICM or a wire splice. It's simple. Before you leave your office, you can identify a sprinkler issue, voltage test at each head, up and downstream on the maxi cable, and know with certainty right where to go on the course. Simple design, simple installation for now and the future. Wherever you have the maxi cable, you'll have the ability to just expand by splicing in and go. With 24 systems shipped in the U.S. since July of '09, courses are quickly realizing that the ICS from Rainbird is the best system available.